Good morning, and I believe it's time now. We are all ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you quickly tell me where you got to the last meeting? I am waiting for where we got to the last time. Or I can start from this session 2.2.3. Also, any question, comment, issue based on what we did the last time. A quick review based on what we did the last time. Hey, I'm still waiting for you. No comment based on what we did the last time. No comment on where we got to. I'm still waiting.
So, we
Yes.
did a recap of the computer systems from the keyboard and the mouse.
Oh,
So
that one
we
we
did a
finished. That one we finished long time.
we
That was
came
last two
down,
weeks. Uh-huh.
but last week we touched on it again.
We did what?
We went through again.
Okay, because the last time we jumped straight to the input technical approach from that side. Last 2 weeks. So we are through with this topic. I believe we are here. Yes, no.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So we have gone through all this.
Yeah,
Okay. And see type of or method of input types. We are okay with these ones. The mouse consists of the following types. We okay with that?
no,
For
sir.
this, for this side, we have done that. We did that. All this side, we've done. We jumped straight the third or last 2 weeks, we did that. We went straight to this side. And I believe I have explained all this. I've explained this side, the
Yes, sir.
port.
You did, sir.
Okay, then that is good. So I strongly believe we are here. That's why I highlighted that place the last time. Input control. Input control. Here. There should be always control of all your input to safeguard your data. There's something called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Computer systems are toy, or computer system is toy. Whatever you put in is what the system will give to you. So if there's no control, then where we have maybe 5 series, somebody can type, or where you have age or amount, somebody can type test anyhow, then the system will not be able to use it for calculation. So input controls are the validations, logics put in place to ensure that where we have age, the system accepts only numbers. Where we have amount, it accepts only numbers or figures to avoid wrong capturing of data. The input methods here, that is the input control. Good. Then the next one is the output method. We have two types of the output method. One is called soft copy and hard copy. So put in mind that in our system, we can generate two types of copies. One is hard and another is soft. The hard copy is the one that has been printed via printer, which can be touched, moved from one place to another. Advantage for this copy is that it is available when needed. You don't need to switch on the machine, so it's available when needed. Disadvantage is that anytime you want to reproduce or you want a copy, then you need a printer before you can generate a copy. Another disadvantage is that it cannot be easily distributed across geographical area. Soft copy is the one that can also be seen but cannot be touched. And these copies are always, could be on the screen, could be voice, signal. These are all types of soft copies. Soft copy disadvantage is that the system takes time before it gets ready. It might not be available when needed immediately. So, for example, you want to retrieve something on your machine. It is a hard copy, the paper is there. You just pick it. But soft copy, you switch on the machine before you go to the location. Advantage is that it can be reproduced number of copies you want. It can also be distributed at a different locations anytime you want. And these soft copies are always free from fire and other things because it can be distributed across several networks. So these are the two types of output in computing. It could be soft or hard copy. The hard copy, another name is called permanent copy. The soft copy, another name is called non-permanent copy. Good. And another disadvantage of the soft copy is that it can be attacked by virus. Virus is an acronym for very important resource under siege. It can easily be attacked by a virus, and it can easily be attacked by a virus, and again, hackers can easily break through. Like the traditional one, when you have hard copy in a drawer, others can have a spare key or a key to break through and read the content. The same thing here. Hackers can use different approach via network system to hack or to have access to the content. And a hard copy, I've said, the hard copy if you want to produce copies, it's not easy unless you have a printer. But a hard copy is easily available when you want it without switching on the computer system. Besides soft hard copy decision output, there are also a number of factors that can, okay. The hard copy also involve cost, very expensive to produce, and cannot be generated quickly when a lot of people want to use. These are the difference between the hard and soft copy. Output devices, we have additional output devices like printers. Printers, we have different types. Monitors also here. We have two key types today. One called cartridge tube read or cartridge read tube, normally called CRT. The old type, this type of monitor consumes more space. Look at the back, more power. Consume more space, more power, and the quality of the pictures cannot be compared to the flat rate or the flat panel display. It uses vacuum technology that display your video, your text, or your data. And this smallest unit, every screen consists of 80 columns. Columns are from top to down, and 23 rows simultaneously, irrespective of the size. You can see or view your work 23 lines or rows, 80 columns simultaneously. And each of these is called a pixels or picture element. Then the next type of monitor is called flat panel display. This is the latest, very light, consume less space, powerful graphic than the other one. So these are the two types or popular type of monitor. The monitor is an output device that displays your work in a soft copy approach. They have different types of standard. We have different standard of this monitor technology. You could see the super video graphic array, normally called SVGA. The GA graphic array, SGen, and so forth. Then another one also called plotter, like the printer. Also, the plotter here consists of this. Then sound. Also, these are some of the output devices you need to know or understand. For the printer, we have different categories, as you could see: laser, inkjet, thermal, etc. They all perform similar jobs. So that is that for this topic. I'm going to topic 3. If there is any question here, let me explain quickly as we move to it. Put in mind that we have two types of output: soft, hard, and then the soft, what you could see on the screen, the voice, signal, they are all soft. And then the hard printed copies. And when you weigh the two, the advantages, disadvantages. Good. So give you about a minute as I move to the next topic. Can I start topic 3?
Yes, sir.
Great. Topic 3 is hardware, computer hardware. In computing, there are two main components: hardware, software. You are aware of that. The hardware is a component that houses the software. But these two components, always the software is considered when you are buying or setting up computer system in your organization. Why? This is because the software is the content and the hardware is the container. So always it's good to know your content before you consider the type of container that can house. We have different hardware components in the market, different software components in the market. It doesn't mean that every hardware is compatible with the software. You need to know the type of software that can work with the hardware. So the two component hardware, software, selection always is based on software. I believe you know your phone. Several phones you have used in life. Several versions of application software such as WhatsApp. Some phones cannot house current WhatsApp application. Why? This is because it is a software that justifies whether the hardware is out of date or not. So hardware is a key component that houses the software. And it's a physical component in a computing that can be seen, touched, and easily moved from one place to another. Example of this hardware component are CPU, the memory, the mouse. You are aware of that. Hardware is a physical component that can be seen and touched. Good. An example of the hardware component also can say your smartphone, your entire computer, laptop, PCs, they are all hardware components. And this hardware component, we have two categories. Two categories of the hardware component. One classified as internal and another external. External are those outside that can be seen and touched without opening your computer system. And these are your mouse, your keyboard, the entire screen. And internal are those inside when the main case, the system unit is open. Those components are classified as internal hardware component. Example, hard disk, the processor, the memory, etc. Generation of the computer systems. It has gone through several generations, and as now we are using i7, as you're aware, from different companies such as HP, Apple, in that order. Good. And this is the structure of a computer system. This structure, whether the computer is small or big, it is a structure. The main role of your hardware is to do the computation. So the calculation done in a computer system is the hardware that performs a job. The computation is done by executing what is called instructions. And these instructions are computer language, a set of commands put in place to perform or transform your instruction, or to execute or transform your logical into a meaningful aspect. And this converting the logical into a meaningful outcome is the job of the hardware. So hardware perform computational in the computer systems. Data instructions are stored in the primary storage of the computer system. And we know the primary storage, another name called main memory. During the process of this computation, instructions are taken by the CPU. So this is how the structure of a computer system. You put something here, it goes to the main memory. That instructions are stored in the primary storage. This is the main memory, the primary storage. Then the CPU here will accept it or will use it to convert 2 plus 2 as a data into information back to the memory. Then once you have something in the memory, you can store it. And that storage or that concept is called secondary storage. Then from secondary storage like pen drive, hard drive, you can retrieve it. Once retrieved, the final one output. So you can see the arrow here. When something comes to the output, it doesn't go back again. So put in mind that when you are working, something is displayed on the screen like mine now. If it has not been stored in the secondary storage, moment the power goes off or something happens to freeze or stop the function of the computer, everything will turn off. What we could see now is inside the output. When you are working, everything that appears on the output doesn't mean that they have been stored on the storage drive. So from the output, if nothing has been stored, then one power goes off or something happening to freeze the system, automatically everything is gone. So this is the structure of a computer system. From input to the main memory decide, do I need to convert data into information? Yes. If yes, you go to this side. Do I need to save something or retrieve something? Yes. Then finally, we go to this side. And this is how the CPU, as you're aware, is a digital electronic component and circuit. And the CPU, have experienced that the CPU consists of two main components, ALU, and then the C control unit. So we have done all this. And then we have also understood primary storage. That's the main memory type of primary storage. I've explained this RAM and DRAM. We have done that in the previous chapter. Good. And then we also know the ROM, memory capacity measured in days, the lowest kilo followed by mega, giga, terabyte. We've done all this in the previous slide. We know the CPU. This is the old type of the CPU. The old type of CPU, example like this is the old type of CPU. Today, the CPU are in the form of chip, small chip that can perform a lot of job. Small chip. So look at the old type of CPU here. And look at the pins here. So here, if you're a professional, you move it and you don't take extreme care. If one pin is broken, then that is the end of the CPU or the processor. But today it has been advanced in a different form, small chip that can perform. So this is the motherboard, and this is the CPU here, the processor that convert data into information. The microprocessor, as of 2026, has its best. They are designed to suit a lot of jobs, like more powerful job. And then I said the latest speed of the processor is this. Intel Core i7, Intel i7, and this is the speed. So it has gone through several stages and generations also. Today, if you are buying anything, make sure it's measured from gigabyte going. Generation of computer system of 20, as of 20, the associated features are shown. At this stage, we use what is called term generation. We have gone through several generations, but the generation mentioned in this contemporary world is called term generation, and the processor is there. The memory, primary storage memory size measured in this. Secondary storage, we have terabyte, and then the processor is this. You are aware that processor is measured in hertz. So it should be, if you are buying machine today, make sure your processor is 1.8 gigahertz to 4 point something gigahertz. And this is the generation movement that's gone through several stages. Those days measuring in megahertz, today in gigahertz, etc. Good. Now on the storage device. And this storage device is about secondary storage, user-oriented storage. Storage device or a storage device is a medium in computing where your files or activities are stored. And this is a secondary storage. This secondary storage is here. The structure of a computer system. This is a secondary storage. Example, pen drive, hard drive. So we are here now. It's a digital approach that store your work, your files, data, information, or anything for future use and retrieval. It's a hardware component that stores files, data, information. An example of what this hardware component or storage can store are text, photos, videos, signals, audios, in that order. The main type of storage are primary storage, as you are aware. The main type of storage device is primary storage, you are aware. So we have primary storage and secondary storage. But the primary storage is the main storage, the system-oriented. And the secondary storage is the user-oriented, where the user has control to manipulate the content. Good. Now let's see here. The primary storage consists of, today we have a lot. These are type of secondary storage. Type of secondary storage where a user can store his or her work. The hard drive, flash, this is the old type of storage, and this floppy disk, the maximum storage space was 1.44 kilobytes. And today, one picture could be 1 megabyte. So this type of storage is out of date. We have the hard drive, popular default storage where all your programs are stored. You have the flash drive, you have flash memory. You are aware of all this. These are different storage approach or devices. These are storage or different storage devices. The secondary storage here has different categories. One is magnetic medium. The next is optical medium or optical media. Then so magnetic media consists of magnetic tape, disk, and then floppy disk. So here you could see there are different types of storage or secondary storage. One is called magnetic media, optical, and flash. As of now, I have identified 3 types of secondary storage: magnetic media, optical, and flash memory. The magnetic media, one of the oldest, and this consists of magnetic tape, magnetic disk, and floppy disk. We remind that the storage device or secondary storage device consists of 3 types: magnetic media as one category, optical media as another, and flash memory is another. The magnetic media support you to use the save command to save or store your work directly on that media. So here you can store your work in the contents of file, data, information via a technology called magnetic medium or magnetism. This means you can use the save command to save your work directly onto the device. This type of device, that is the first one, magnetic tape, is like the old type of tape, the tape system, where you have the cassette and then the machine. If you want to read, you insert your cassette, you read. So here the same thing, that is the approach here. Here is it. You insert your tape cassette, then it will create like normal tape cassette or tape cassette. But here, before you can save or retrieve your work, you need the tape reader, like normal tape, where you play the cassette. So this is the tape and this is the cassette. This has a largest storage space and normally used for backup. Though it's not common, but it's still in use, normally used for backup. And backup means a copy of the original stored somewhere in case the original is malfunction or not in use. Then you can use the restore or the backup, a spare copy, to work on. So this magnetic tape is still in use. One of the oldest, but normally used for backup, used by a big organization to store a copy of their work on it. And before you can use this, you need a reader. Unlike pen drive, you connect straight to a port, you use it. Here, you need a reader like DVD, where you need a reader before you can use that. Then another family in the magnetic media is magnetic disk. That's the hard disk, commonly called hard disk. And this magnetic disk consists of two types. One is the fixed drive, and another one is movable. So we have the fixed drive, normally called HDD, or external drive, or portable drive. This consists of 80 tracks. And the tracks, like when they run the athletics, track 1, track 2, track 3, the same thing here. These are the tracks, consist of 80 tracks. And when you are saving, you cannot say that go and save at track 1, track 2 for it does it automatic. This type of storage or this type of disk supports you to use the save command to save directly on it. And then default drive normally is C. In computing, when you hear drive, means a letter assigned to a storage location. So the default drive is C. And when you see any letter in computing with column behind it, means drive letter. So this drive C, C column. You can see K column. This drive is a default. You can modify, change it to any letter you want. And this hard drive or magnetic, this magnetic disk, not tape, magnetic disk. This is a magnetic disk. The popular storage drive, default storage drive on computers. So once you buy a computer, by default, you have this drive. Then later you can buy additional ones, etc. Then another one is the floppy disk. Floppy disk. And this floppy disk is one of the oldest and is still not in use. Another name for the floppy is diskette. Another name of this is diskette and also consists of 80 tracks. As I said, the maximum space at that time was 1.44 and cannot be used for today's activities because the space is limited to handle today's work. Then the last family under the magnetic media is optical media. Oh, no, we finished the magnetic media, consists of tape, disk, that is magnetic disk, and floppy disk. Then the third, here says 3 types. The secondary storage consists of magnetic media, optical. So now we are on optical. This is optical, normally called CD, DVD. It's also a secondary storage that supports you to store your file, data, information, or whatever via a technology called laser beams. And here are this media, you cannot use the save command to store your work directly on it. No, it's very hard. And normally we use a technology called burner, where this use a pinpoint laser beam to store or pen your work on a tiny surface of the disk. So put in mind that optical media does not support save via the save command. Data is recorded on a disk by using this beam on a shiny surface. So before you can read or write on this, you need a CD drive or DVD drive. This drive supports you to read or store. And this drive also, we have categories. Some can read only, and some can support you to write on it, called burner. See, CD or DVD burner. So before you can use or store something on a DVD or CD or optical media, you need what's called burner. And these are examples: the CD-ROM, the DVD, and FMD. This is how it looks like. The CDs, the DVD, the approach is the same. The appearance is the same, but just that the technology used to manufacture it differentiate them, making them FMD, DVD, and CD or whatever. Good. And this is the burner, here the drive. Before you can use this is a CD or DVD reader. You need this before you can. Don't forget about the labels here. It's a copy and paste. That's why the same thing there. So we have seen optical media, we have seen magnetic media, and then the last type of secondary storage is flash memory. The flash memory is a technology of RAM and ROM. You are aware RAM store your work temporarily as long as power is on. ROM also store your work permanently. But this flash memory combines the two technologies. So you can store your work on a pen drive permanently. And once something is stored, you can rewrite or change the content. So that's the RAM, the flash memory. It's a technology of RAM and ROM. And different types of this flash memory, pen drive, memory card, the SDD, these are all examples of flash memory. So you can see how each looks like. Then other storage, like the cloud storage, cloud computing, where one organization can store its work directly on another organization storage system as a backup in case the original not working, you can use. So the cloud computing or external storage are all part of secondary storage, while we classify them as other storage systems. So, or enterprise storage systems, where you can save your work on other computers or other organizational system. Example, Google Cloud or Drive, the Microsoft Azure, etc. These are classified as enterprise storage system, whereby you can buy a space in that organization, then work accordingly. Good. The next is hierarchy of a computer system. Hierarchy of computer system. In computing, the most powerful one is called supercomputer. The supercomputer is a giant in the computer world, maintained in a special room or environment. So see, a series of units connected together as a supercomputer, the most powerful giant in the computer world that supports millions of users to handle or work at the same time. And this is very expensive, always maintain a special room or environment. It is normally used for networking. So you cannot go and buy a supercomputer for your small project. Normally used for networking as a central device where others can be connected. The processor name is called Pico processor. Like your laptop, your small PC, the processor name is called microprocessor. But here the processor name is called Pico processor and measured in 1 trillion per second. So imagine how powerful that computer is. It measured 1 trillion per second. Very, very fast. Normally used by a big organization for networking, and different types from different manufacturers are available. In the computer hierarchy, the next is mainframe. The mainframe is next to supercomputer, less powerful. And the supercomputer here says that 50 times faster than the microcomputer. We are saying our laptop microcomputers are powerful, but this super 50 times faster. So imagine how powerful that one. Next to it is the mainframe. Less powerful, normally used for networking as a central device where others can be connected. Most organizations like bank, insurance always use this because of the price. And normally used in a special room or environment. So supercomputer mainframe computers are normally fixed and are used for networking. You can't have your supercomputer fixed here today, the next day move it to another place. No. And normally housed on a ground floor with a special or a particular degree of atmosphere. You can't run this type of computers without AC with a particular degree of atmosphere. And this is how mainframe also works. The mainframe here, the processor name is called nano processor, and measured in 1 billion per second. So very powerful. It's next to the super. And the super is pico, 1 trillion per second. This is nano. Next to the super, next to the mainframe is called mini. Though the name is mini computer, but doesn't mean that that is the smallest in the computer world. It's maintained normally at the corner of a room, and it supports 2 to 50 users at a time. Less powerful than the super or than the mainframe. And most organizations also use this one for networking, as it serves as a central computer with about 2 to 50 users at a time. The microcomputer supports 1 person at a time, but here as a central computer supports 2 to 50 users or professionals at a time. And this is how it looks like. The next is microcomputers. Though I classify them as workstations and microcomputers, but today the broader name or popular name is microcomputers. That override. Workstation means networking computer system where individuals are connected. Some computers those days were developed or manufactured purposely for networking. But today, every microcomputer can act as a workstation. So a workstation or micro are single powerful computers that are normally used for networking as individuals connected to a mainframe somewhere. And this type of microcomputers, we have PC. Under the microcomputer, we have what's called personal computer. And in the personal computer also, we have 2 types. We have tower, and then the tower is the one here. This is the tower where the long system unit positioned somewhere. Then the screen is also positioned somewhere. This is called tower computers. And this is called desktop computer. The screen is on top of the system unit. And that is also we have the laptops and notebooks. They are part of the microcomputers as well as thin client system. So these are under the category of microcomputers, small type of computers, and this type normally used for day in and day out activities. This type of computers in the computer hierarchy has these features. Portable can easily be used from one place to another. That's why your laptop can easily move from one place, your desktop or whatever can easily relocate. One processor, one person at a time, less expensive in a computer world, and this type does not need a special room or environment, and less powerful in the computer world. Then the next one is computing device. So in the computer world, the less powerful is computing device. These are devices with inbuilt computing capability. So any device with inbuilt computing capability classified computing device. They are small in size. Example, smartphone, wearable computers, smart card, those you can see. And these are the type of, as the example of computing devices. So our phones are part of computers, but classified as computing device, less powerful in the computer world. Other devices are highlighted here. There we have input, output peripheral devices. We have understood input devices, output devices, and these are the computer. We have parts are connected, selecting computer systems. Good. So that is that for this topic. That is that for this topic. We are going to do something about 30 minutes. We are going to do something about 30 minutes. Then after that, we continue. So here is a quick exercise. Are you all connected on the platform?
Please, which platform?
This learning management system where I put the discussion forum. Are you all have access now? Do you have control over that site now?
Yes,
Teacher.
I think they've worked on it. So I've even submitted my reply, and I see that a couple of friends also submitted their reply, and we interacted.
Okay. Okay, so I'm posting the whole thing there. Then we work accordingly. I believe you have access to that site. So good. So please check quickly. If you have any challenge, let me know. check in your discussion forum quickly. If you have any question, let me know. Before I explain it, how you're going to do it. Or you find it difficult to do it. If you think you find it difficult, let me know so that I'll change the approach for you. Can you do it right now for me? Yes, no. Can you do it right now for me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So we'll try.
Don't say you try. Say yes, we can. Okay. If that one would delay you, if
Yes,
it
so
would,
some of
uh-huh,
us are now logging into the portal.
you are odd.
You are now logging into the portal.
Uh-huh. But the whole thing is, let me explain how you are going to do it. After that, you know what to do. The heading is determine which type of computer is suitable for the following activities. We
Okay.
have different categories or classes of computing. We have super, mainframe, mini, micro, computing device. So here, controlling a space shuttle, which category of computers can suit this? Then you choose one. If it's a super, right? Super. You type exactly what is here. What is there? You have it there. So just say equal to. Then if the answer is mini computer, just one mini computer. If the answer is micro computer, then question one, controlling a space shuttle is equal to microcomputer. Do you
Okay,
understand
sir.
it?
Okay, I say it's
Okay,
simple.
sir. So,
Okay. So I recommend, because you are going to spend just 30, not more than 30 minutes to finish this. So what we
Okay,
are going to do now is do it, send it to me via WhatsApp quickly. We are not many, so that I can mark and respond to you quickly.
so we shouldn't reply on the LMS.
Yes. I believe some of you have challenge. By WhatsApp, you can do it quickly and send to me. Yes or
Uh,
no?
Sir, please, you can go back again. My network is not good, so I didn't hear what
Okay.
you
The
were just.
question, as I saying, I want you to use your WhatsApp, answer it, and send to me quickly. We will not spend more than 30 minutes on this. The heading is determine which type of computer is suitable for the following activities. And the category of computer systems are super, mainframe, mini, micro, and computing device. So you write or you type number one, controlling a space shuttle equal to, it is computing device, choose one, only computing device. Then you go to question two, controlling, you type the same thing, controlling and I've typed for you. So controlling an airplane is called to supercomputer or mini. Choose only one. Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. And I'm saying that because you are having challenge with the forum. So do it quickly in your WhatsApp platform and send to me. I'll mark and you get a response immediately. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yes, sir.
You copy what I've done in your WhatsApp, then question one equal to, question two equal to, you provide the type of computer system for that quickly. So I'm waiting for the response. Yes.
Sir,
Mhm.
please can you do it that maybe those that can do it on the LMS they will do it so that those that cannot do it on the LMS they do it on the WhatsApp.
Okay. If you can
Because
do that,
I was thinking
okay,
that you have many chats.
no problem. If you can do it from the LMS to the volume forum, I'm ready. If you have
Okay.
any challenge there, send it through the WhatsApp.
Okay, yeah, very good.
Please, I hope you are listening to me. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Don't write question 1, supercomputer. 2, mainframe. 3, no. This is not what I asked you. I said write the entire question and add equal to. You understand it? If you have received some, if you just say mainframe, question 1, mainframe for what? How can I refer to that? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? Yes, no.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Good. So make sure the question is there, then equal to answer. That's what I'm looking for.
So please, I forwarded my. I don't know whether it has submitted on. Sir,
Yes.
hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Please, I forwarded my. I don't know whether you receive it on the LMS.
Please, sir, mine to avoid it.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Please, the number that your WhatsApp number.
Yes. If you can't do it yet, but I believe it's working for you all.
I don't have your WhatsApp.
Now, but I'm saying that I believe the forum is working for you all. Because I've
As for me,
seen
I'm using phone.
you are using.
As mobile phone.
Okay. So don't say that you don't have my number. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Because I've given you course outline and everything is there. So if you don't have my number, ask your rep and not me. I've seen some. Philip on you have sent. I'll respond to you all one after the other. Tati Grow, I've responded to yours that I use the right approach. So I'm waiting.
Yes,
It's not
sir.
yet time. When the time I want elapsed and it stop.
Yes, I've edited it. Please,
Okay.
please, I've done my own.
Uh,
Please. I don't know whether Philip, you have seen mine. I don't know. Because
Philip, I said I've seen yours. How many Philips do you have?
Okay. The network.
Hey.
So I didn't hear.
I've seen yours. So don't worry, I'll respond to you. I don't want to mark now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please, I have submitted mine to on the LMS.
Yes, I've seen. Don't worry. I've seen some. I'm trying to work on.
Thank you.
Good. I believe I have responded to everyone.
No, please.
Which one? Your name?
I'm the one sending it on WhatsApp.
I've not seen the WhatsApp.
Yes,
Please,
I'm done.
please, mine too.
Where?
Mine too.
I've not seen it via WhatsApp.
Please, I've not seen mine too.
Hey, I
Please,
have responded via private.
My name is Yaira. I've not seen mine too.
Okay, let me go through Yaya. I've not seen Yaya yet.
It's on LMS.
You sent it via what?
LMS.
Okay, I'm checking.
No seen a reply to mine.
Me too. I've not seen a reply.
Good. I've not seen anything like Yaira. I've not seen that. Who else?
Raphael, do you see my
Me,
response?
Philip. I'm not seeing
Philip,
reply.
I've responded. He was long time.
Please,
So what
my
about
own too. I
Raphael?
haven't seen it too.
I've responded yours via private. I've responded through private, so it's there.
Okay, let me check.
So what about Raphael? Have you
Raymond.
responded to mine?
The WhatsApp, I've not received any WhatsApp yet.
So what
No,
about
mine's on
Raymond?
LMS. Raphael.
I'm fine.
I've responded through private.
Hello, sir.
Alexander.
Nothing. What?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
This is all about Raymond. I sent it on the LMS.
Okay.
Take your time, go through the.
Hello, sir.
Bernard Atta. Bernard Atta.
Yes, sir.
I've responded through email.
Okay, sir.
So who else?
Sir, please, mine.
What's the name?
Zachary Sadat.
Zakari. I have not come across Zakari.
Hey.
Zakari, you sent via hot. Is it through the forum?
Yes, please.
Zakari, I have not come across Zakari.
So this is
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Yes, sir.
Someone.
Hello, sir.
I'm coming here quickly. One.
Sir, I don't see a reply to my Raphael.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I've still not seen the reply on my own LMS.
I'm coming.
My name is Yaira Kokwi Seshi. Koshua Seshi. But
Yes, yeah, I've not come across. I've gone through. Your name is not there. Philip, I've responded.
so this is Joe Shafat. I still can't see my response.
Sir, I can see. I can see the reply.
Emmanuel. Asiliwe, I've responded.
Sir, Alexander.
So that is that. Those have responded.
But I cannot see any message. I haven't seen.
Go to private. I've responded. I've responded to everything I've received through WhatsApp, email, and then the platform, the forum. I've responded to everything. Alexander.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I've responded.
Okay.
So go to your private, you see all.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Please, I have redone it again. Please, I have resubmitted it.
Okay.
Please check. Please, have you seen it?
No, madam.
Oh.
Sir, please, I've checked the private. I can't see it.
Oh. Okay, my yes, how?
Yes, sir. It's not the reply didn't come.
In the private.
The reply is not coming.
It hasn't come.
I can't see anything. No.
You can't see anything in the private, your private side.
No.
Yes, there's nothing like in the private.
Okay, don't worry.
So
I have marked and I provide the answers accordingly. So let me give you the answers, then you go ahead. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
I've marked. Nobody had 8/8.
So how are those of us that you can't see ours?
It's
Who
not
has
you.
seen his
It's not you.
response?
It's not only you.
Hey,
Okay,
It's
don't
not.
worry. You know what you have written or what you sent. So let me finish. Then after, you know what to do. I'm providing the answers. So check. 1. Controlling a space shuttle. If you give supercomputer or mainframe or Mac, you can't combine mainframe or supercomputer. It could be mainframe, supercomputer, just one. Controlling an airplane, mainframe supercomputer will do. A meter reader, computing device. Controlling a scientific experiment. If you choose workstation microcomputer, I will accept. Document preparation or mini computer for number 4, mini computer will suit. Workstation micro will suit. 5, document preparation microcomputer. 6, email server. If you choose mini mainframe, I will accept. Weather forecast super mainframe, accept. Then last one, microcomputer. So these are the answers, and I've responded to you accordingly. I hope we are okay then.
Sir, please, I want to ask a question.
Okay.
I said, please, so when you say microcomputer, can you be like specific that okay, maybe a microcomputer, maybe a desktop or a laptop?
Good. Read the heading for me, the question.
The question says, determine which type of computers is suitable for the following activities.
Okay, which type of computer? And I've given you classes of computers. I
Okay.
gave mainframe, first super mainframe. You understand now?
Yes,
So
please.
which type or class of computer? Are you okay?
Okay.
So I was expecting those categories. You choose one.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
please, the microcomputer, can you also say personal computer?
Under the micro, we have different categories. So if you say personal, wrong. The question is categories. First is super, mainframe, mini, micro, computing device. Any of this.
Hey, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
It's
Okay.
very confusing.
This question there.
It's what? Say it.
4/8 there. 4/8.
You have seen your result, and we say you have not seen it. Hey.
Yeah, please. I want to show the approach. So if you
say it.
So if you open the forum, if you open the forum, you select display reply in the threaded form. So
yes,
when you please, are we all following?
Yeah, I'm listening.
So under the question, you see all the results. You see all the results. So you see your name. You watch through the result. You see your name. Then you click your name. Then it will give you
your marks, eh?
Your marks. Yes.
So everything is there.
Yes, everything is there.
Okay. Good. I'll give you about 10 minutes if you. Yeah, either I've responded to you or you just sent it.
Yeah, you have responded. You have already responded.
Yes, I responded to you. Yeah.
But I said, yes, sir. Haven't you seen my own? Zachary. Yes.
Yaira, do you remember I said resend your work?
They responded to you.
But I'm not seeing
responded.
They responded to your long time.
So is
Philip,
it
how do I
to
see it?
display replies in threaded form?
Yeah, they respond to you.
Where do I see it?
Sir, you replied to yeah 2 times.
I've not seen it.
One. I responded twice, eh?
Yeah, twice to yeah.
Good.
This is
Good.
Philip, how do I see it?
Engineer, please check if mine has been replied. And I will send.
Hello, sir. I can only see the first response that you gave about the wrong approach. But after editing it, I can see the response for that one.
Everything is there. Take your time. So left about 1 minute, then I'll move to the next stage. Okay, even almost time. So we'll start the next topic, our next meeting. Topic 4, eh? We start topic 4 next meeting. We are through with this topic. If you have any question, I'm ready. We have about 10 minutes. Oh, yes, about 10 or 20. The lady, have you seen your work, your response now?
No, please. I'm still zooming. I'm still navigating through LMS to see if I can.
Now somebody said he has seen it.
Philip, please, can you teach me how you saw it? When did you go?
Don't want. Okay, so are you listening to me?
Yes, please.
So click the question. The question. If you go to the LMS, click the question. The text. Determine which type of computer is suitable for the following activities. Just click it. When you click it and come down, you see some plenty ratings be under. Watch through. Have you seen it?
I have seen the question and my reply. And then I'm now seeing permalink, show parents, edit, delete, reply. Then topic 2, discussion.
See, have you seen the question, the test? Determine which type of computer is suitable for.
Yes, I clicked on that and it took me here.
It took you where?
On this new page, I could see Dr. Simon's question, and then I could see my response in the chat box.
So you could see your marks there. Take your time.
Anyhow.
Because I can't see your mark.
I
can't. No,
can't
I
see
can't
her
see
mark.
Yeah, I can't see it.
I told her I
can't,
responded.
I will not be able to see your mark because it's for you.
Private.
So how do I see?
Philip. So I see the the RE test 1, and I see my name but I don't see, when I click on it, I don't see my score. I only see my response. Okay, I see it now. Thank you.
Maybe I still don't see it.
Please, I still can't see my reply. Now open.
Zachary, you have just posted yours. I've seen it.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Please, did you reply to my own?
Everybody's on.
Actually, I can't see your reply, but I can see the others, the one you replied to them. I can see Philip's own. I can see Sadat's own, but I can't see mine.
Take your time. What's the name?
Raymond Donko.
Raymond. I don't think I've come across Raymond. No.
It's there. I posted it.
Some sent via email. That one to have responded.
I posted it on the LMS.
I'm searching.
Okay.
Nana Wilson.
Again.
Sir, Miss Nana Wilson. NS Nana Wilson.
Raymond, I don't think I've come across yours. Oh, you sent via WhatsApp or email? Raymond, don't go. Raymond, Raymond, I've responded to you long time.
But I can't see the reply.
I've responded long time. Check is there, Raymond.
Because I can see the others their own, but I can't see mine.
Maybe you are happy with your this thing. That's why you are saying that.
Is that?
You are happy with your marks. That's why you are saying that, eh?
Oh no, I can't see my mark actually.
I responded again to yours.
So this is Jehoshaphat. I still can only see the initial response about the approach. But I can see the second reply, the one that has the score.
And you can't see the first one.
I can see the first reply. The one
All
in
the
which
marks are
wrong
there. I'll
approach.
record them accordingly.
Okay.
So you said you've seen mine, right?
What?
Alexander, you've replied to mine.
So you should all try and make use of the learning management system, eh? Zachariah, have you seen yours? Zachary Ryder.
Okay.
Sadat, have you seen yours?
No.
But Mark and responded accordingly. Is there?
I'll try and
To take your time and go through.
yeah,
You
I'll
don't
take my
have,
time and go through.
I don't want to make comments. So take your time and look at the response you gave me and look at mine also. The question says the type of computers or classes. And I highlighted mainframe super or super mainframe mini in that order.
Okay, I've seen mine now.
Is it?
I think it's updating small, so everybody will see that.
So, Rep, we are waiting for the next meeting, eh? Or I should continue. We are done for the day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So go over the next meeting. We start topic 4. See you next meeting.
All right. Thank you, sir. So next week, God willing, next week we will not be having class.
I didn't get you. You said next week is holiday.
Yeah, next week is Easter break.
Easter break. You are going for Easter break. You salary did give salary.
And
But
that one,
it's on the
Saturday.
timetable. I'm not. It's on the timetable.
Yes, I've come across that one. You are right.
So 4th April and 5th April is Easter break.
Okay. 4th April.
Yeah, 4th and 5th. That's next week.
4th April is Saturday. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. There you spend about a month, eh? We spent over a month.
We will okay. We will resume 11th April and 12th April.
So after Easter break, how many weeks do we have?
So after Easter break, we will do 11th and 12th, and then 18th and 19th we will do self-study. So
Okay, that is great. So the Easter break is a 6 week.
yeah, it's
Then
the
we have
6th week.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks. So we have more time. Easter break is our 6th week. We have this 12 weeks, so we have more time. Okay, that's good. So see you next week.
come.
Sure, see you.